In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a Power BI template file in Power BI Desktop. A template is a great way to package up the structure of your report. Things like your data model, queries, measures, relationships, and visuals, without bundling the actual data. That means you or your teammates can reuse the same design and logic, connect to fresh data, and keep everything consistent across projects. With your report open in Power BI Desktop, start by heading to the top left and clicking File. This menu is where you handle all the core actions for your project, and it includes the export options we need. From there, choose Export. You'll see several choices for sharing and packaging your work. Select Power BI Template. This tells Power BI to create a PBIT file, which is the template format designed for reuse. Next, you'll be prompted to add a template description. Don't skip this. It's your chance to communicate the purpose and scope of the template. A clear description can save a lot of confusion later. Consider briefly stating what the report covers, which data sources it expects, any required parameters, and the intended audience. If you version your work, noting a version and date is helpful too. After adding the description, choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Pick a location you can easily find again, such as a dedicated templates folder in your documents. A descriptive file name goes a long way. Include the business area or project name and, if relevant, a version number. If you plan to share it with others, saving it in a team-accessible folder that syncs to your cloud storage can streamline collaboration. Once you've set the location and name, click Save. That's it. The template is created. You now have a portable .pbit file that captures your visuals, model, and queries, but not the underlying data. When someone opens the template, Power BI will prompt them for the necessary connections and parameters, allowing them to load their own data into the same structure. This keeps reports standardized while preventing sensitive data from being distributed. To recap, you clicked File, chose Export, selected Power BI Template, wrote a useful description, picked a save location, and clicked Save. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for maintaining consistency across reports and teams. Try using templates whenever you want to enforce a common design, speed up new report creation, or share best practice models without exposing data.